It's OOTD time! What's up guys? We are in beautiful Cabo, Mexico, here for a friend's wedding and taking a little mini vacation ourselves. I wanted to walk you through my outfit for today. It's really hot. Let me start off with that. The dress that I decided to wear today is actually one of my favorites, and there are many reasons why. I'll start with the detailing. It has a sweetheart neck with a ruched bodice, and then it cinches at the waist, which is really nice. It has this really cute belt that comes with it. And then here, if you'll notice, it's kind of like a wrap dress in almost like a seashell kind of way. So there's pleating here, which also is great for accentuating your waist. And then it kind of comes up at the middle in the seashell kind of fashion. Don't shy away from big, bolder prints, because like this one, it can actually look really nice. And sometimes you may see something on the hanger that you're a little unsure of. Just try it on, because you'll actually be pleasantly surprised sometimes that it will actually look even better. Because like this dress, I wasn't sure. I tried it on, I took the plunge, and I love it. Thank you for joining me for another episode of OOTD. I will see you very soon, but until then, peace and love. Subscribe! Mwah!